Okay, Farmer Chris, it's July. We're in the winter squash. What's your hope for this year?
Another building block towards my we grow and keep getting better. Welcome to Casad Family Farms YouTube channel, episode 1 with Chris and Kate Casad. We are officially starting a YouTube channel.
If you were to set intentions on, how you want people to feel.
Sure. Mainly just spur new ideas or like just a different way to look at things, maybe. Different set of glasses to look at your farm, particular piece of ground and what's possible, and help people not have to recreate the wheel, or at least give them kind of our learning curve, and hopefully it's helpful. A lot of things we've started very small, and then a lot of things we've gotten to a larger scale. Not everything, but a lot of things, and just kind of the pros and cons of each level, I guess you could say.
Yeah, what do you hope for the people who are watching this that are not farmers and don't intend to farm?
Sure. Yeah, it's just, I guess, entertaining and maybe educational, a different aspect for them, understanding where their food comes from, how people have to get it from the field to their plate. Where we're at now is definitely kind of like an ag in the middle, a medium-sized farm. I'd say we're still fairly small, but certainly not a farmer's market, direct-to-consumer farm primarily, and not a 10,000 acre corporate farm either. So. Just the trials and tribulations of trying to navigate in a market that either keeps you very small or needs you to be very big to sustainably farm every year, in the sense of just being sustainable on the business front.
Yeah.
It seems like conventional, organic, regenerative, not regenerative, everyone has their trials and tribulations of how to make their farm financially sustainable. 3 topics I'm excited to make videos about. Probably crops, animals, and maybe machinery. Just everything you have to build or maintain on the farm, and thinking creatively.
Yeah.
Especially with a lot of farms created, old farm junk, and a lot of that still has a new life in it if you look at it the right way or apply it from its intended purpose. So, Kate,
Yes.
what are you most excited about to film or talk about on our YouTube channel?
Frankly, I'm the most excited to share you with the world, because I am quite fortunate to live and work with you and learn from you. And so I'm really excited for more people to get to know you. People a peek into our farm, because I think our farm is really unique, especially in the context of where we are here in Jefferson County, Oregon, share what is pure like optimism when you see what is possible through really challenging climactic times. I think we get to live in a way where we see the resilience of Earth. And I think the world needs a reminder that the natural world is so resilient, and we get to see that here, and I want to share that. We hope you guys stick with us. I think we got a lot of really interesting stuff to share. If you would like, leave a comment below and tell us if there are any topics or specific farm questions that you would like us to make a video about. But we definitely want to hear from you what you'd like to learn more about and hear about from our farm. So go ahead, please hit the subscribe button and share this channel with anyone you think might find it interesting. Yeah, it's never easy to start something new and be beginners, but there's only one way to get better at something, and that's to just do it. So we're gonna just do it.
We'll be YouTube pros in no time.
We'll be pros in no time. And we'll be back next Friday with our next video.
Thank you. Be well.
Yep. Shake it, babe.
Shake, bake.